In today's video, I'm going to teach you tutorial how to add user authentication to a Replit app after it's built. Start by opening Replit and selecting the app you've already built. Make sure the project runs cleanly before you begin, so the authentication changes apply smoothly. Once your workspace loads, open the agent chat in the sidebar. In the message box, type a clear prompt like, "Can you add user authentication to this website?" Then send it. The agent will analyze your project, install any needed packages, and generate the login flow. If it asks for confirmation, approve the suggested changes and let it finish. Avoid entering any personal credentials or secrets directly into files. If the agent mentions environment variables, plan to store them in the secrets panel later. While the agent works, open the preview panel. This lets you watch the app rebuild and reload. It's normal for the server to restart a few times. Just give it a moment. When the interface appears, look for the new login button. Click Login to start the flow. If the app presents a secondary prompt or modal, click Login again to continue. Some templates show the button in multiple places, such as the navbar and a welcome section, so click Login wherever it appears until the authentication screen completes. After the login UI is set up, navigate to the Guestbook page to confirm that protected routes are working. Click Guestbook in your app's navigation. If access requires authentication, you should be routed back to the login flow or see a message indicating you need to sign in first. In the preview window, you may notice a notice stating that you can only log in with your account in the preview environment. Click that message to view any additional details or to follow any link it provides. If the preview highlights a section to indicate that authentication is active, click the highlight to verify the state and ensure the page is now gated properly. When you're satisfied that login is working and protected pages are restricted as expected, it's time to deploy the changes. Click Publish to push the updated app. If your project requires secrets, add them in the Secrets panel before publishing so authentication works in production. Finally, open the published site, find the